Which sentence includes an unnecessary word? Let's take a look at each of the suggestions and see which word is actually unnecessary. A. Sentence 6 includes the unnecessary word least. The proposed rule changes are part of a much larger package aimed at propelling the European Union towards its goal of cutting greenhouse gas emissions by at least 55% by 2030 compared to 1990 levels. Least is necessary here as it's part of the phrase at least. If we were to remove it, the sentence would read cutting greenhouse gas emissions by at 55%, which we can see doesn't make sense. This can be marked as incorrect. B. Sentence 10 includes the unnecessary word shift. To facilitate the shift to electric cars, the Commission said it would require the 27 EU member states to expand vehicle charging capacity. Again, removing this word leaves us with a sentence that simply doesn't make sense. In this case, to facilitate the to electric cars. This can be marked as incorrect. C. Sentence 11 includes the unnecessary word up. There were 28 EU member states up to 2020 when the United Kingdom left the EU. Were we to remove the word up, our sentence would read, there were 28 EU member states to 2020, which again doesn't make sense. We need the word up to show we mean until. This choice can be marked as incorrect. And D, sentence 12 includes the unnecessary word up. Charging points will be installed every 60 kilometers up on major highways, and the minimum tax rate for gasoline and diesel fuel will be hiked. If we were to remove up from our sentence, it would read, charging points will be installed every 60 kilometers on major highways, which we can hear sounds correct. Because the installed already implies that these charging points will be put up on highways, the up here is redundant and can be deleted. Based on this, we can mark choice D as our final answer.